Hello and welcome to LeadMaster. This video is part 2 in our series on custom forms. Custom forms provide a powerful way to add and display an indefinite number of fields over and above the normal information stored in LeadMaster. Custom forms are used for things like customer-specific data, surveys, call scripts, landing pages, and much more. In this video, I'm going to show you some of the ways you can use custom forms to help get more out of your LeadMaster system. First, I'll show you how to add data to a custom form. Then, how to use custom form in an email. Next, how to use custom form as a web page. And finally, how to use a custom form with email marketing campaigns. Custom forms can be attached to both an individual contact or to a company, also known as the record level. This provides you with the most flexibility when building, storing, and displaying key customer information. Before we can use a custom form, it has to be attached to either a company or a contact. Let's start by adding a custom form to a company. Select Add New Records from the main menu, then select Add New Record to add a new contact to your system. I'm going to select Display the New Record once we're finished so that we can see how the custom form is attached. Fill out the information on the form, scroll down to the section that says Custom Forms and Web Capture, and select the custom form that you'd like to attach to this record. Once you've clicked Submit on this page, you will see the custom form you just selected so that you can enter data right away. If you aren't going to enter data on the form, just click Update and you'll go directly to your new record. Anytime you want to use this custom form to collect data, simply scroll down to the Custom Forms and Web Capture section and click on Form Name. The form will open in a new window and then you can enter your data, and when you're finished, click Update. That's all there is to adding a new record, attaching a custom form, and entering data. For existing records within the system, you can attach a custom form to one or more records from search results. Here's how. Let's say that you want to attach a custom form to every record associated with a specific campaign. Click on Search, select the campaign, and click Go. To attach a custom form to the records in the search results, select the Options menu and choose Attach Form. Select the custom form you'd like to attach to the records, the description is optional, and select either Attach to the selected records in the search results or Attach to all the records in the search results. Click Submit and the custom form is now attached to those records. To add data to the custom form, first find the record and open it, then select the form and enter the data. Custom forms are a great way to collect specific data about your contacts. If you are storing more than one contact per record, you can attach custom forms at the individual contact level as well. Simply click on the name in the Contacts section, find the Custom Form section, and either open the existing custom form or add a new one. That's all there is to adding a custom form to one or more of your records and entering data. By the way, custom forms can be created for opportunities. That is covered in another video that talks about opportunity management within LeadMaster. Now let's take a look at how to use a custom form in an email. Think of this as a survey or as a way to have your contacts provide you with information. To start, either click on the email icon in the Contact Information section or in the Contact section. This opens the LeadMaster email editor. When sending an email within LeadMaster, you can easily merge information from the database. With a couple of clicks of the mouse, you can insert a wide variety of merge fields in both the subject and the body of the email message. You can also insert custom forms into your email. If you want to create a new record when your contact fills out the form, select a form prefaced with blank custom form. If you want your contact to update their existing data, select one of the existing custom forms. Now when you send this email and your contact fills out the form, it'll either update your existing form or create a new record depending on whether you chose existing custom form or blank custom form. Next, let's take a look at how you can use a custom form as either a standalone web page or in an iframe of an existing web page. Start by clicking on Administration and then select Custom Forms to see your list of custom forms. See the column labeled Link? If the form is compiled, that will be a live link to a web page that will accept input directly from the internet and update your database. Click on a link to open the custom form. Enter some sample data, attach a file, and click Submit. When a custom form is used as a web form and someone fills out the form, it will create a new record in your database. As you can see, all the data we entered in the form from the internet is now in LeadMaster. If you would like to retrieve the file attached to the custom form, simply click on the name of the file. To use your custom form in an existing web page, you can include the custom form in an iframe, which might look something like this. Now you know how to attach a custom form to the emails you send from LeadMaster. The last topic in this video is using a custom form with email marketing. To begin, select Launch an Email Campaign. E-marketing is covered in greater detail in another video. For now, scroll down to Step 3, Draft your email message. This is the LeadMaster email editor. You can insert a custom form in an e-marketing campaign the same way you inserted a custom form into an individual email. The only difference is that you'll be able to select blank custom forms when doing email marketing campaigns. When your contacts receive the email and fill out the custom form, it will create a new record. Now you know several ways to use custom forms. In the next video, I'll show you how to add a custom form when importing records, how to search custom forms, how to clone a custom form, how to edit profile fields, the uses of profile fields, and how to map a web form to a custom form. This concludes the second video on custom forms.